Hello parents, today I will teach you about how to vocalization number from 0 until 9. So, what do parents need to prepare? The first one, parents need to prepare the toy that have number on it because it will be fine for our children to learn how to pronounce with the toys. And the second one, parents need to pronounce the number first and ask them to pronounce it after. So, for example, this one, they eat a dinosaur toys and have a 9 number on it. 9, 9, and our children will pronounce it 9, 9. That is how you teach the children. So let's practice parents. So let's vocalization the number from 0 until 9. So let's start. 0, 0, 0. Good job. And this one. So 1, 1, 1. Next is 2, 2, 2, 2. Good job. And the next one is 3, 3, 3, 3. Good one. Next is 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. Next, 6, 6, 6, 6. Good job. Amazing. 7, 7, 7, 7. Good job. And the next one is 8, 8, 8. Good one. The last one is 9, 9, 9. Good job. So, first, parents need to pronounce it together with the child, and the next one is parents pronounce it first and ask them to pronounce it after. So, let's practice parents.